Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. My name, by the way, is Margaret, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button below. Today I'll be giving a review on Topokki Man's kimchi. This is their ordinary kimchi and this is 500 grams and this is only for 100 pesos. And if you can see, ubay-ubay siya guys. The good thing is, if you compare this with the kimchi that you buy in the grocery store, if you buy one bottle, that's actually more than 100. Pasagdiin na ng erosling at kibana kay. If you buy the ones in the bottle, it costs more than 100. And the amount of kimchi you get is just around 1/4 or 1/2 of these. Okay, so what I like about their kimchi is that it's not that spicy, but it's very flavorful. It's spicy. I take back what I said. It's very spicy. So kung hangol kay mo kimchi guys, pwede ninyo i-chat ang Topokki Man sa Facebook and they will just call your number. And they deliver for a minimum amount of 400 pesos. So my friends and I bought 3 kimchis and 2 Topokki. Pero nahurot na, so wala na lang akong i-upload vlog. Muna siya ang close up. I actually want to make my own kimchi, however, daghan kayo siya ingredients and medyo puti siya and I don't have that much time. Tingnan sila good for weight loss daw ni. I haven't researched it, so poke ba ang ano? So please don't mind the noise all around the environment. My dog is eating at the side. The neighbor's dog is also barking. Welcome to my house. Kitty's already asleep. Zenon is playing Mobile Legends. And I already ate dinner. The topokki is my dinner. And this is my dessert instead of having it as appetizer. Monica doesn't want to eat this. So I'm eating it alone. Remember the ngoyong vlog I created yesterday? The funny story behind that was the store was directly in front of Topokki Man and I was thinking to myself, should I cross the street to buy topokki or not? And unfortunately, I did not really cross the street because we were in a hurry. Because I was not feeling well, and with I was not feeling well, it means that naglayan akong tiyan. So that's why diri na lang ko na ni hapon sa balay. After 24 hours, I decided to order topokki because I was craving for it for already 24 hours. By the way guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I already have 902 subscribers right now. Say hi, Crayon. Hello. Okay. Okay. Say hello. Toko man hello. Anyway, I already have 902 subscribers, and I am waiting for the 98 more subscribers so that I would finally celebrate 1,000 subscribers in YouTube. And also, yes, Namarag. Sa pakungka. And so, yeah, 98 subscribers needed before I celebrate. As promised, I will be picking names out of my subscribers list to win 500 pesos each. And also, I will do my best to have a very small feeding program. Or not really, I will choose a few kids, randomly selected kids to perhaps eat Jollibee with me. So if you would like, so if you would like to support my cause, so if you would like to support my cause, please do share this video so that I would reach my 1,000 subscribers soon or within this week, so that once I hit the 1,000 mark, I will start picking out names, and also try to look around Lapu-Lapu City and see who I will bring with me in Jollibee for that celebration.